Hey friends, it's your favorite corked up white boy, Andy Pandy. Today, we're making a rustic cane. And the materials you're gonna need is a stick or a board, just sawn and then rounded out, any piece of wood for the handle, and a $10 rubber bottom from Walmart. We've got this. Remember to like and subscribe, and let's get our stuff and get to work. Okie dokie. Let's start by carving our handle. I'm using a nice chisel for the first time, thanks to my aunt and uncle who gifted me some beautiful tools. And when it gets time to drill, my drill broke recently, so you'll see me pull out the brazen bit, but it's a nice little bit of exercise for the body. Time for some channel updates. I've been really quite busy with life, and I really don't know how to edit, so my car just won't stop breaking for the life of me, and I've got 99 problems and Kia's 98 of them. And so our next video is going to be an outer tie rod replacement. I'm going to do my best to stay on schedule with a video every Saturday. This channel is a huge stress reliever for me. So I hope some of you can take this carving time to de-stress. I'll be back when it's time to shape the stick. Oh look, our little workshop helper Momo's come to stop by. I think that was an approval. So, when picking out a stick, you'll want it to go to your elbow. I'm making this one for my mom, so I'm using her previous cane height of about 36 inches. Now we'll just round it out, get rid of some of these rough edges. We'll want to keep the natural shape because this is just such a beautiful stick with a lot of personality. Then, after that, you just sand it all down, and I'll be back when it's time to stain and seal it. Tapping everything together. It's just so fun when everything's such a nice, perfect fit and just goes right on. We're almost to the staining and sealing, friends, but I just can't help but love smacking the stuff together. Just the perfect fit. Here we're gonna put a screw in. You could use any form of wedge. We're just using a screw because it looked nice with the aesthetics. You'll really see the vision in the end. Okay. The stain goes on pretty dark, but it just looks stunning in a minute. Just trust the process. You'll want to do 2 to 3 even coats, letting them dry completely in between. You've got this. If you don't need a cane now, you will someday. We all end up old. Yeah, it's starting to come along. And then the same goes for the polyurethane. 2 or 3 coats, skipping fully in between and letting it dry. It is just looking beautiful as far as I can tell. I am so excited and happy that you all came along for this little trip. I hope you had a blast. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the workshop.